pretty late at night because our flight was delayed, but of course, if you're gonna go to Philly, you have to try the Philly cheesesteak. Now, we've been told that we're going to a really fun place where two of the most famous Philly cheesesteak restaurants face to face one another. I think it's Gio's and Pat's. So I think we're in for a treat. I don't know about you, but we're excited to bring you along. Of course, we ended up in the best Uber because Joanna, our amazing driver, who is also a bartender during the day, is actually going to give us a quick backseat tour, if you will, of Philly at night.
Everybody that moves away somewhere else to the West Coast, for example, they miss Wawa so much. They got the soups and everything. If you guys want to make a quick stop, I can show you. This one is not all that great, but if you want to like take a picture of it, I can run through Tasker instead of Reed. You want to look at Wawa?
Sure, that's fine. Okay, Miss Winnie.
So our Uber driver told us that we need to check out Wawa before we head back to wherever we're heading back from. So let's check it out and see what all the buses are. So I think I get it. So this is Wawa. It's a convenience store, supposedly open 24/7. I think I get why this is so magical, because if you look behind us, it looks like there's fresh bread being baked right now, and so people are here to get, I guess, cheesesteaks and hoagies and all that good stuff. We're actually not gonna do that today, but it's great that we had our first Philly experience. So let's get back in the car. So we were right in Philly. It's really chilly here, but of course we had to have cheesesteaks before we headed out to Delaware, and we have gone to the corner where you can actually get Gino's and Pat's all in one corner. Rumor is that they used to be relatives, maybe even cousins, but as you can see, we have two different cheesesteaks today. We are having, this is Pat's cheesy fries and a cheesesteak, which is onion and cheese, and then this one, which we got at Pat's, is mushroom, cheddar, and steak. Noticeably, this one has way more cheese, so we'll see. What do you think? Which one do you think will reign supreme? Let's see how this is. Really good. Really good. Oh, we should film that.
Got it. Ooh.
Alright, one of the best things about traveling with Curtis is that we get to share our food, because otherwise there's be a lot to be eating at 9 o'clock at night. So this one is really cool. I'm excited because this one has mushrooms. I love mushrooms so much. Mushrooms, cheese, onion, and steak. So let's see how this one is. Really good. Really good. I would have preferred fresh mushrooms over canned mushrooms, but still really good. So all was going really well until we found that there was a hair in the french fries, and I pulled out a hair from this sandwich. So needless to say, we're done here. We're gonna get our bags. We're gonna head back to the hotel now.